Electricity makes our life better and brighter. In many ways, electricity transmission is the unsung hero of our modern electrifying economy. Substation is integral part of the whole system and hold important links between the generating stations, transmission systems and distributing systems. While West Bengal State Electricity Transmission Company Limited or WBSETCL is spreading happiness all over the West Bengal. Under post the Electricity Act 2003, the erstwhile West Bengal State Electricity Board WBSEB was the unbundled into functionary independent state-owned companies West Bengal State Electricity Transmission Company Limited and West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. With effect from 1st April 2007, West Bengal State Electricity Transmission Company Limited is responsible for transmission of electricity from generating station to load center through a transmission network operating at 400 kV, 220 kV, 132 kV and 66 kV spread across West Bengal. The headquarters is situated at Vidyut Bhavan, Salt Lake. Welcome to Tarakeshwar 132 kV substation. Tarakeshwar 132 kV substation is situated at village Bishnuvati on approximately 7.8 acres of land in the district of Hooghly, 3 kilometers away from Tarakeshwar railway station. It has three system voltages 132 kV, 33 kV and 11 kV. Total installed capacity is 131.9 MVA at present.
Tarakeshwar 132 kV substation is committed functioned on 2nd April 2003. This substation receives power from Arambagh 400 kV substation WBSETCL through a 130 kV double circuit line. This is also connected to Belmuri 130 kV substation through a double circuit line. In normal situation, Belmuri 130 kV substation receives power from this substation. After receiving the voltage at 132 kV, it steps down the voltage at 33 kV through 3 numbers 130 by 33 kV power transformer and delivers power at 33 kV through 6 numbers 33 kV feeder. 33 kV voltage is also stepped down to 11 kV through 3 numbers 33 by 11 kV power transformer and delivers power at 11 kV voltage level through 6 numbers 11 kV feeder.
Tarakeshwar 132 kV substation delivers power to 33 kV substations, namely Chapadanga, Dihibatpur, Doshkora, Koikala, 33 kV substation of WBSETCL. There are 6 numbers of 33 kV feeder, namely Chapadanga 1 and 2, Koikala 1 and 2, Dihibatpur and Doshkora, and 6 numbers of 11 kV feeders, namely Santoshpur, Bholana, Nandakuti, Tarakeshwar, Doshkora and Lokna. This substation has 2 main bus and 1 transfer bus scheme for 132 kV and 33 kV voltage levels. At present, there are 3 numbers of 132 by 33 kV and 3 numbers of 33 by 11 kV power transformer, 2 numbers of station cum earthing transformer, 2 numbers of 33 by 0.4 kV station service transformer. Presently, 9 numbers of 132 kV bay and 14 numbers of 33 kV bay are there. It has the total installed capacity of 1 into 50 plus 2 into 31.5 MVA plus 3 into 6.3 MVA. This substation is almost 17 years old and old equipments have crossed their natural life. As a result, old equipments are being phased out. Old generation 132 kV SF6 hydraulic circuit breakers and 33 kV vacuum circuit breakers are already replaced by new generation 132 kV SF6 circuit breakers and 33 kV vacuum circuit breakers respectively. Age-old 11 kV CGL oil circuit breakers are converted to vacuum circuit breakers. The whole 11 kV switch gears are going to be replaced by new Jamuna make 11 kV switch gears. This work is already started.
Periodic maintenance of all substation equipment, bus, transformer, clamp, connector, etc. is done regularly as per maintenance schedule in order to achieve more ability and fewer breakdown.
Maintenance and activities. Transmission line patrolling, tree trimming, jumper tightness checking works are also done as per the yearly schedule. The DC systems are maintained at site with timely cleaning, distilled water topping up and specific gravity measurement. As per guideline of WPACTCL, condition-based monitoring of EHV equipments have been adopted with an ultimate aim to reduce operation and maintenance cost and to minimize breakdown. Some of the new tests introduced are tan delta and capacitance measurement of power transformer and current transformers, circuit breaker timing measurement, contact resistant measurement, lighting arrestor, LA third harmonic resistive leakage current measurement to check healthiness of LA, thermal scanning of equipments and connectors, dissolved gas analysis of oil of transformer. With introduction of these activities, failure rate has been reduced to a great extent. Safety. Safety is as one of the most important parameters at the site. Sufficient arrangements of different fire extinguishers and sand buckets are strategically located at the site. PPEs like safety helmets, safety belts, hand gloves and first aid boxes are ready available at control room and maintenance. SOPs, switching instructions, safety and maintenance manuals are available in the control room. Bay markings and phase markings are properly done in switchyard. Various safety posters are also placed in the control room for general safety awareness. Besides this, safety awareness programs are conducted at site time to time. Illumination is bright and clear at Tarokeshwar 132 kV substation, and this is regularly maintained to ensure safety for working in odd hours and tackling other security issues. We achieved nil accident in last 5 consecutive years. Our vision is to be the most reliable and economical power transmission system in the country with the highest system availability and quality and the least technical losses.